Hey guys, today I'll teach you some important prefixes of biology. So let's start. First one is macro. First of all, I'll ask uh, you will read macromolecules in biomolecules and mineral nutritions. So, what are macromolecules? So, biomolecule is just divided into two type of molecules, macro and micro. So the macromolecules are larger than the micromolecules. So macro means relatively large. Now mega. Mega mega means large like. Mega is large like. For example, mega nucleus or mega karyocytes. Now meso. As you came to the term mesoderm in leaves. So mesoderm in leaves. And also mesoderms means the middle lining. So, middle lining in a middle of mesodermal tissues like mesodermal tissues of heart, mesodermal tissues of organs, mesoderm of leaf like mesophil of leaf. So, meso means in middle of something. Now, meta. Meta means change after like metamorphosis, metathorax. So, it means change. So meta means change, like in metamorphosis, metathorax. Now come to pro. Pro means before, like in protozoa. Before means at early stage or the archaic. So pro means before, like protozoa. Now peri. Peri means around, like periphery. Like in a cycle, there is a rim in tire, cycle's tire, there is a rim. So that's a periphery. So peri means around, circular way. So like in periphery, peristomium. Peristomium means mouth surrounding part is known as peristomium. Now pseudo. Pseudo means false. As you came to this word in pseudopodia of amoeba, which means false feet. So pseudo means false, false. Now just we move to another slide. Here retro. Retro means backward. Retro means backward. Like retrovirus. Semi. Semi means half. Semi means half, like semicircular, semi-permeable membrane. You will say semi-permeable. What it means? It means it is half permeable or permeable to something special substance. Super. Super means above. Super means above. Now ultra. Ultra means beyond. Ultra means beyond. Tele. Tele means linking across, like in telophase. You will just come to this telophase in cell division. Prophase, anaphase, telophase, acrophase, these are all phases of cell divisions. Now, four. Four meanings means before, like in foregut, like in forebrains. So, four means before. What is foregut? Foregut means when you will just take this slide, foregut. What is foregut? Foregut means entry of the gut. It means where the gut starts. So that's the first part of gut. Gut means intestinal portion. Now hemo. Hemo means the blood. Hemo means a part of blood, a component in blood. So hemoglobin. Now leo. Leo means white like in leukocytes. Leukocytes, white blood cell. So leu means white like. Lido. Lido means stone. So lithosphere. As you know, there are several spheres around the earth, like tropo, iono, lido, meso. So lithosphere means the land portion of the earth. Now deca means 10, like a decade. Decade means 10 years. Circum means around. Now here di means 2, like disaccharide, dimorphism. So disaccharide, it means saccharide is a form of sugar. Here it is two connected sugars. Now dia means across, like diaphragm. Dia means across, like diaphragm. Now hyper means above, anything in unaccepted amount, in a beyond of. So hypertension. So hyper means above. Now cephalo means head. So cephalothorax. What is cephalothorax? Cephalothorax means head directly connected to the neck region. Cephalothorax. So head connected to thorax region. Cephalothorax. Cephalo means head. Now day means down, in opposite, like degenerate. As we will say degenerate, it means end of. Deamination or detoxification. Detoxification means ending of the effect of any detoxigenic substance, that will just poison any cells or any living cells. So detoxification. Now arbor means tree, so arboreal. Now you'll get to learn arche means ancient, so archaeology, archaeopteryx, and there are so many other. Endo means inside, ecto means for outside, like endoparasite, ectoparasites. So these all are. Now let's make a revision. I'll ask megakaryocytes. What is karyocytes? What is karyocyte? It means cytoplasm associated with cell walls. What is nucleus? You know what is the nucleus? Yeah. What is macromolecules? What is metamorphosis? Metathorax. Metamorphosis in frog. Metathorax. Then protozoa. Then periphery. Peristomiums. Pseudopodia. We studied pseudopodia means false feet. Peristomium means around, like a structure which moves around a mouth part is known as peristomium. Periphery, it means having a rim, like protozoa, the earliest organism. So proto means before. Meso, in a middle of, like mesophyll, mesoderm. Semi means half. Super means above. Ultra means beyond. Tele means linking across, like in telophase. 4 means before or the first part. Hemo means component of blood. Leo means white portion. Lido means stone, so lithosphere. Deca means 10. Circum means around. Di means disaccharide, like example dimorphism. Di means 2. Dia means across, like diaphragm. Hyper means above. So hypertension. Cephalo means head portion. Arbor means tree. D means down, like degenerations, deaminations, detoxifications. Arche means old. Endo means inside, and ecto for outside.